Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I'm going to share with you how you can enable your microphone in Google Chrome, and also I will show you how you can enable your webcam in your Google Chrome browser. So friend, let's see how we can do that. So first thing first, we are going to open Google Chrome. So now my Google Chrome is open. And now we are going to click on this three dot icon which is available on right hand top, and then select settings. So friend, here you can see this is my settings page, and now we are going to find out privacy and security tab which is available on left hand side. So friend, here you can see these are the options, and now we are going to click on this option. This is the site settings. Okay, you simply click on it, and friend, here you will see these are different websites where I have given permissions to access microphone. For example, this is Chat GPT, and here I am giving a permission about microphone. Okay, if I want to disable that microphone access, then what we will do, simply click on this arrow button, and friend, here you will see lots of permissions are available. Okay, here you can also allow location. This is the camera thing. If you want to allow camera, you can simply select allow, and this is the microphone option. You can disable and enable. So here you can click on allow. So what happened, Chat GPT will get access about your microphone and camera. Okay, and if you want to do the custom thing, what you will do, simply click on this camera option, and here you will get these are the things. Okay, so here you can directly delete the access. If you want to delete, you simply click on it, so that website access will remove. Okay, and here, same as it is the microphone, if you want to remove the microphone access, you simply here select the website and click on this delete button, so this access will remove. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can easily allow microphone and camera access in your Google Chrome browser. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.